package came, and I'm so excited because I've been wanting to try this like, I don't know what it is, lip tint. I think it's a lip tint. Melting. It's Nature Republic Honey Melting Lip. It's probably backwards, but oh well. Gosh, I'm so excited. I need a mirror. I don't have a mirror, guys. Wait. Look at it. It's so pretty. What? It's so pretty. Right, so Honey Melting Lip. I got the shade 05 in Plum. You can't really see it, but okay. So it's kind of like a pen. You're supposed to click like this end or something. Oh my god, it's not straight. Like I need to. Okay. I'm gonna pause this. Oh my god, look, it's popping now. Oh my god. Wait. I'm so scared. It smells good. Like, I don't know. I'm a little blind right now. It's very thick. So I'm not sure. Whoa. I'm not sure how I feel about this. It's very thick, but it's like it's sticky. Not sticky, like I don't feel like stickiness when I'm like opening and closing my mouth. But it feels very hydrating. Like, oh my god. And I love the smell. It smells very like it smells so good. It's not like sweet fragrant. It's more like subtle. It's really subtle. But oh my god, bro. What? Look at this. This in the shade Plum. Oh my god. It's so hydrating. Like, I'm not sticky at all. Like, it's thick. That's all I can say. It's thick. It's a honey melting lip. But I don't even know. But oh my gosh, look at this. That's crazy. This is crazy.